Hi everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters, and I have a short special video to share with you today. Many of you probably don't know, but Takom, a company that I work closely with to help produce the Andy's Hobby Headquarters kits, is about to celebrate their 10th anniversary in business. So that's a momentous occasion, and they are coming out with some special kits, some Tiger 1 mid-production, a Tiger 1 mid-production Otto Carius, which is a limited edition kit, and a Tiger 1 late. And all three have pre-molded on zimmerite. Now, normally you would expect those kits to be, $50 kits, but they are doing a special edition box that will have all three of those kits inside, complete kits, plus a limited edition 16 scale Otto Carius. So a special figure that you can put along the side in your display or however you want to do it. So you're going to get all three Tiger kits and the limited edition 16 scale Otto Carius. Are you sitting down? We have a very special offer when you buy the box set right here. It is on pre-order right now and it is not due to arrive until January. But to help Takom celebrate this I'd say it's a pretty good milestone. We are having all three kits plus the bonus figure kit for $89.99. Wow, what an incredible price, huh? 3 full Tiger 1 kits with zimmerite molded on, a special 16 scale figure, all of that, plus wait, there's even more, because each one of those kits has special edition features inside of them. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you some Takom has made up some special advertisement for this promotion, and you can see all the bonus stuff that is going to be inside each one of these kits, including like the Otto Carius kit, which you're looking at right now, has a bonus Otto Carius 35th scale figure inside there that you can actually put inside the turret. Well, there you go, guys. There is a look at all of the bonus features that are going to be inside these kits, and they look incredible. And let's face it, the introductory price that we have at $89.99 is an unheard of value on something like this. It is limited edition, so we only have a certain amount, and after that, there will be no more of those. So if you're interested in this, I would definitely recommend going on our website, andyshhq.com, and pre-ordering it right now. It is due in January. We're thinking mid, possibly late, all depending on shipping right now. And of course, as soon as I have samples, I will bring them all to you and let you see them close up. Each one of these kits will also be available individually. So if you don't want to get the 3-pack and you want to wait till January, we will have each one of the kits individually. If you just want to just buy the late or just the figure or any of that kind of stuff, all that will be available as well. Obviously, nowhere near the discount that we offer for the big 4-pack, we'll call it, because there's three Tigers and the 1 figure inside of it there. So there you go, guys. This is just a quick video just to let you see that. I just was so excited about when this came through on my email this morning that I wanted to share it with you. Remember, you can go on our website, andyshhq.com, and pre-order those right now and be guaranteed to get one when they show up here in January. So guys, I want to take this opportunity to thank you as always for watching, and please stay tuned because I have many more videos coming.